Bueno, aquí estamos cambiando el valve cover gasket y el valve cover de el BMW 328i. Esta es la cajita donde venía. Este es el new valve cover, all complete, gasket, everything of it. And what else we have? We need to clean it up, everything. We need to take the intake complete out too, because we're gonna fix the valves. We have it's a crack a little bit in the intake, but we're gonna try to fix. We can fix it, and we need to put a timing bulb in a position, right position. We have a coil. Maybe we need to replace 2 coils on it to get the car runs fine. We're gonna try to put all the back in new too. We're gonna clean everything out to leave the car run good. Okay, we're still working on it.